Okie dokie pre-K, let's make our snowman. So I need you to grab that black crayon, color your top hat. You don't have to color that band at the bottom black. You can color that your favorite color. But I do want the top hat to be black. After you have the top hat black, color the eyes black. The eyes are those two little circles above the triangle. We're going to use charcoal for the eyes, just like Frosty. And then we're going to grab that orange and we're going to color in his nose because his nose is a carrot and carrots are orange. Next, I want you to grab your favorite color. I grabbed this purple and that's what I'm going to use to add a pattern to my top hat and my scarf. It's very important. We don't want our snowman to be cold. He's already made of snow. He absolutely needs a scarf and a hat. So just add some designs, some pretty, you can do rainbow, you can do 3 colors, you can do as many colors as you would like, and just put them on your scarf and your top hat. Next, we're gonna grab a blue, any blue, and we're gonna color around our circles. We don't wanna color our whole circle because we do still want it to look like snow, and snow is white, but we're just gonna add some shadows, which looks like we're just drawing a ring around our circles. So just take your blue and you can do little loop-de-loops, you can do little scribble-scrabbles. Now let's try to stay in the circles, that's important, but we're just adding some shadows to our snow so that when we stack up our circles, they don't just all blend together. And once you have a good blue circle inside your circle, get your circles nice and blue and round. And we're gonna set that blue crayon off to the side and we're gonna grab our blue paper. So we're gonna grab that little square next to you that's blue, and this is gonna be our background. So you need your white crayon and we're gonna draw little dots all over it. We're gonna make it look like it's snowing. Because if it wasn't snowing, we couldn't make a snowman, right? So draw little dots all over your paper, and if you feel fancy, you can draw little snowflakes. You just draw a straight line up and down and a straight line side to side, which is vertical and horizontal. Do it all over the place. Our snowman's gonna go right in the middle, so you don't need to put anything there, but all around I would like some snow. Now it's time to cut out our snowman. So we're gonna cut the biggest circle out first and be super duper careful. We don't wanna cut anything that we're not supposed to. Cut all the way around. And do that for all 3 circles, and then cut out your eyes and your nose and your hat and your scarf last. I'm gonna go ahead and glue this big circle down in the middle. You can glue yours down if you just don't want it in the way, so you could cut something out and glue it down, or you can wait to glue everything down at the end so I can help you. It's up to you. I glued it down so that I had it, but the rest of it you don't have to glue all the way down. Next, we're gonna cut out the second biggest circle, the medium circle, and we're gonna glue that down on top of our big circle. That's gonna be the middle of our snowman. You can put it however you would like, but now you see why we did the little blue ring. It's so that it's not just a big puddle of white. We don't want our snowman to look like he's melting. That's why we had to do the blue circle, so that we could see the shadows of the snow, and shadows of snow are typically blue. So once we have all of our circles stacked up, I want you to be very, very careful and try to cut out your snowman's face. And then we're gonna cut out our snowman's hat and our snowman's scarf, and then we're gonna glue them all together. All right, I have everything cut out, so I'm gonna glue my middle circle onto my big circle. I'm gonna hold it down. And then I'm going to actually glue my scarf next, because your scarf is gonna go under your snowman's head. So glue your scarf on top of your middle circle, and then put glue on top of your scarf, put your smallest circle, hold it down. Then we're gonna put our top hat. So put a little bit of glue on top of your head, put your top hat down, do little dots for your eyes, put your eyes down, and then last we're gonna finish with our nose. Draw just a little line with your glue and stick your nose on right there between your eyes. And then so cute, perfect. last, we're gonna get our little black crayon and we're gonna make our snowman happy. Just like Frosty was happy, and then we're gonna draw some arms. So just draw 2 lines sticking out and then give your snowman little fingers. And then that's it. We made the cutest little snowman. Good job, kids.